Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Telegram channel. Telegram is a popular messaging app that offers a range of features including the ability to create channels. Channels are a great way to broadcast messages to a large audience, making them ideal for businesses, organizations and individuals who want to share information with their followers. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Telegram channel on your mobile phone. It's very easy, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. So let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your Telegram app. So you have to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on mine. You can see my Telegram app is opening. So once your Telegram app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see that menu icon right there at the top left. So let me tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see my profile. You can see it right there. That's the first option. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three vertical dots on the right hand side. You can see it right there at the top right. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is edit info. So let me tap on edit info. Right here guys, you can see where it is written your channel, personal channel. What you simply have to do now is to tap on where you can see add on the right hand side. So let me tap on add. Right here guys, you can see what's written here, select your channel, start a channel. So guys, since this video is about how to create a channel, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see start a channel. So let me tap on start a channel. Wow guys, you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, what's a channel. Channels are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on create channel. Let me tap on it. Right here guys, the next step, what you have to do now is to input your channel name. So let me go ahead now to input my channel name. Right there guys, you can see I've inputted my channel name, Tech Master. The next step now is to go ahead now to input the description of my channel. You can see where it is written description, though it's actually optional, but let me go ahead now to input it. Let me tap on description, then let me paste what I have. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my description. Let me erase this. You can see welcome to Tech Master, your ultimate source for all tech and cryptocurrency. So guys, if you're into cryptocurrency, crypto mining, airdrops and the rest of them, then you have to go over to my channel on Telegram. Go over to my Telegram channel, Tech Master, then follow. Make sure you're following me. And also I'm going to be leaving the link to my Telegram channel down in the description of this video. Do well to tap on the link so that you're going to join my channel. You're going to be getting updates on the latest cryptocurrency mining, the latest free airdrops that you can actually partake in. Guys, people are actually cashing out in my group, and you're also going to get the opportunity to chat with me privately. So make sure you use the link so you can join my channel. So guys, once you're done inputting your channel name and your channel description, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see good. You can see the good icon right there at the top right corner. So let me tap on it. Right here guys is the next step. You can see it right there, channel settings. This way you can choose whether you want your channel to be public or you want it to be private. You can see we have two types there, channel type. The first one there is public channel. Public channels can be found in search, anyone can join them. Then the next one there is private channel. Private channels can only be joined via invite link. So guys, you have to decide which one you have to go for. So if you want to go for private channel, then you tap on private channel to select it. Let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, now you can see private channel has been selected. Now you can copy the invite link. You can see where it's written copy. You can also share it on various social media platforms. So what you have to do next now is to tap on the good icon at the top right corner. You can see it right there. But if you want to go for public, what you have to do is to tap on public channel. So let me tap on public channel. Then what you have to do now is to tap on the good icon at the top. So let me tap on it. You can see this important notification. It says choose a link. Please choose a link for your public channel so that people can find it in search and share with others. If you're not interested, we suggest creating a private channel instead. So let me close this. So let me go ahead now to input my public link. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. And you can see what's written there. They said if you want to create a link, they say you can use A to Z, alphabet A to Z in small letters, that is initial letters. Then you can also use numbers 0 to 9, and also you can use underscores. They said minimum length is 5 characters. So you have to you can combine alphabets and numbers. So let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my link, I've typed it in, I've inputted my public link. You can see try there, Tech Master 1. I named it Tech Master 1 because I might be creating new channels in the future. That's what I have to do with Tech Master 1. So guys, now let me tap on good at the top. So once you're done imputing that, just tap on good at the top. You can see they say Tech Master 1 is available. If it's not available, then you have to keep tweaking it, adding alphabets, adding numbers, so you can get a unique public link. So let me tap on good at the top. So guys, now here is the next step. It says add subscribers. So guys, now what you have to do now is to scroll through your subscriber list to add subscribers, to add people to the Telegram channel. So guys, let me just, you can also use the search icon if you want to. So let me scroll downwards now to look for someone that I can add. Let me do that real quick. Let me keep scrolling. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'm getting there. So I've seen it, so let me tap on it. Let me select this person right here. Right there guys, can see I've selected one person, so you can add more than one person. So let me tap on the next icon at the bottom right. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can now see I've been able now to create a Telegram channel. You can see it right there. You can see the name of the Telegram channel, and also you can go ahead now to upload your Telegram image, your Telegram channel profile image if you want to. Just tap on your Telegram channel name right away. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do is to tap on edit. You can see the edit icon right there, that pen icon. Let me tap on it. Then what you can do now is to tap on where you can see set photo. You can see it right there. So let me tap on set photo. What you have to do right now is to go ahead now to choose from your gallery the photo that you want to use as your Telegram channel profile image. So let me do that real quick. So let me keep scrolling. So I've seen the image I want to use, so let me tap on it now to select it. You can see I've selected this, so let me tap on the good icon at the bottom right. You can go ahead to edit it, crop it, rotate it if you want to. You can see those symbols down there, so let me tap on good. So guys, now you can see the image is loading. Now the image is done loading, so let me tap on good at the top right corner to finish it up. Wow guys, can now see I've updated my Telegram channel profile image. Let me tap on it now. You can see it now, Tech Master. So guys, now this I can be able to create a Telegram channel on your mobile phone, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. And also guys, like I said, don't forget to follow me on my Telegram channel. Just go ahead to use the link in the description of this video. I'm also going to be leaving it at the comment section, so I'm going to leave my Telegram channel group there, the link right there. Tap on it so I can join. You're going to have a lot to benefit from the channel, because you're going to be making money from airdrops, from cryptocurrency as a whole. And I'm going to introduce you, if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, I'm going to introduce you how you can get the best out of your journey in cryptocurrency. So guys, let me end this video right now. I believe I've done justice to this video. See you in the next upload.